In this video, I'll show you how to fix a raw USB flash drive error on Windows. While you can format the drive from Windows Explorer, I'll use the command prompt for a more advanced method, which allows us to delete hidden partitions. First, open Windows Terminal as an administrator. Then, launch the Disk Part tool. Get a list of all disks attached to the computer. Select the USB drive, which you can recognize by its size. Once you've selected the correct disk, clean it to remove all partitions. Next, create a new partition. Format the disk. And assign a drive letter to the partition. As you can see, the USB drive is now working perfectly. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.